Rate of doing work. Consider two children, say A and B. Let us say they are of the same age. Both start swimming separately. Let us say A takes 5 minutes while B takes 9 minutes to accomplish the task. They did the same work, but A has taken less time than B to do the work. This means that a stronger person may do certain work in relatively less time. Similarly, a more powerful vehicle would complete a journey in a shorter time than a less powerful one. So, power is defined as the rate of doing work or the rate of transfer of energy. If an agent does a work W in time t, then power is given by power is equal to work upon time, or P is equal to W upon T. The unit of power is watt, having the symbol W. 1 watt is the power of an agent which does work at the rate of 1 joule per second. We can also say that power is 1 watt when the rate of consumption of energy is 1 joule per second. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. We express larger rates of energy transfer in kilowatts. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. 1 kilowatt is 1000 joule per second.